So what we're going to do over here is we are going to, 1 second, we're going to hit save. Then we're going to click on share app. So wait for that to load. Then we're going to click on copy. We'll publish that as well in case anyone else here wants to use it. You know, and you can just say like generate it. You could check, I'll show you how to copy the code and then create your own if you want to personalize this stuff. But we're going to put over here, live stream video idea generator. At this point as well, here's the interesting thing. Is like I always used to rely on custom GPTs, but I actually kind of prefer AI Studio now. Like it's better because it's a better form of the AI. And it just seems like easier, but also the UI is nicer too, right? So for example, if we go over here and we open up that shareable link, we can go straight to AI Studio and we've got it, right? Right, so you just change the prompt over here. And then you've got the download app option. So you can actually download this as a zip file here. You can save this to GitHub if you want to make it open source for everyone in the world, or you can actually deploy it, right? So you can deploy it to a Google Cloud project like you can see. What else we got here? So you can share, you can switch the API key, you can change the device, so you can preview this on mobile as well, so you can test this stuff out on mobile, you can rotate it, and you can see all the code over here, right, if you want to take the code. So it's really, really cool, super easy to use, super easy to build, and very, very practical, right? Like I am literally going to use that every single day. In fact, what I'm going to do now is just put it into my SOP for generating ideas, right? So here we go, use this live stream video idea generator, right? And this now goes into my process. Now, when you're doing this as well, you want to just iterate, right? So you saw how I iterated based on like making sure that it categorized the latest update by the date. That's what you want to do as well. Now, how do you do that? So you just go back and forth inside the chat and tweak until you get it right. That's basically it. And then in terms of examples, we've covered the YouTube title optimizer. We've covered the live stream video idea generator, right? By the way, let me just publish this on Twitter. What else we got here? I'm just going to post this. I'm just going to post the links. If you're watching this on Twitter, for example, I know 170 of you are, then you can see the link below to get the video notes from today as well, right? So I'm just going to hit save on that as well. And I'm going to show you some other cool stuff that we actually built inside AI Studio as well. I mean, the amount of tools I built is crazy, right? I don't use half of them. I only created a few, like just to make it fun and that sort of thing. I think the Gemini Run Planner actually didn't work. That's actually a good example. I use the Gemini Maps API to create this sort of Gemini Run Planner that will show you the distance between one location to the next. Honestly, I couldn't get this working. So I just want to tell you that it doesn't always work. It's not magic. It's not a superpower. And sometimes it does mess up, right? So just be prepared for that as well, because it's not perfect and it's not going to work every time. It's an experimental tool. But as you can see today, if you want like the simplest, most practical ways to use it, like that live stream idea generator, then you live in the dream, right? You live in the dream. So we've got the AI avatar video generator. Here you have to plug in your own API key. We've got the SEO keyword discovery tool. I think this is really powerful and easy to use. And the thing I like about this is, well, you just plug in the keyword and then you're good to go. So if we put, for example, SEO training, so you can see it's now finding keywords using the AI to generate that and find new ideas. And then I'm going to plug that into here as well. So SEO keyword generator. That might take a little while. So we'll come back to that in a second once it's, there we go. It's already come up with the ideas. That's great. So if we go full screen on this, you can see some ideas for free SEO training for beginners, keyword difficulty volume. So volume is medium, keyword difficulty is easy. And then it tells you the intent, right? So are people looking to buy something or are people looking to find information, right? So is it informational or is it commercial?